mamata pather ke tuki missile mamata ke kandet banjewan to jingpynkhreh India ke dan company te technology jong mum kai Pakistan on ther na te na Bangladesh will occupy northeast ula ban occupy northeast
ni ai kublei menta hakani ke post step nam ta kinong page jong ko forefront media ngade Christopher Gatford wat ngaden hani haying jong I Lieutenant Colonel retired Martin Khongmen. They welcome sir.
Thank you.
Kuma ngiyo I menta kani ka jinglong jingman hakani ka por te le si pipila serve hakani ka Assam regiment. So sir ngakwa ban tip le si khndiat batai shipang ka childhood ka jong pi le si bali kumno ka penlong fi bandrung hakani ka service.
Nge insan kai ngi halaban. Nge insan ang te le school ru shiliang hi then shaban yele amatrek ni kendre ani upper lachumia le school ko majulai nga join ke NCC naval wing to ko por army wing pad kadan damba po school jungi kam dan ka army wing to yo let ka snem sanphu reolo makla sanphu ne sanphun reom kama sho
Okay.
Ile cha Independence Republic Day camp Delhi Nado na tu kwa ban dan ban kijing kwa sha kwa ban long pulet re then that joint pa ka NCC so kwa so dry ta ka either the navy or the army ken but eventually no matter ba dang na am to not ke rough and tumble games that we do play ka inclination ka kamlin towards the army I to Paul in 19 I did my graduation at 62 and emergency was declared because of the Chinese aggression in 62. So they opened up the emergency commission. That means the applicants can come from the civil categories. So I took this opportunity and quite a number of us from Shillong ki khna khasi jungi bon ki ba apply khndia lajet malagatar ni done. Tengah way ni kita mengiyo emergency commission. Idan bon ki kena si mengiyo menele lang. Te bon na kiru ki bopli kila nang mentata kim dan show. Bon na kila yo tiano. Te hanta ki yo ngale training cha IMA Deradun. Te on passing out of the training scheme which is ran for 6 months in Reubnaipo Academy, we got our commission as second lieutenant. Tenang tu as join the Assam regiment kung mga opti ngayon Assam regiment. Eventually I was posted to the 3rd battalion, the Assam regiment.
Kadang-kadang kum kanu unu human stories ka bafila ban relate yaki audience ki baki kwa ban sngap ke ai katu ki thma ki bali CPE dalak khmat la jong ki eyewitness experience ki jong pi.
Kathma ba ngai it 65 ngadan hapo regimental center po Happy Valley. Katu kadan ka kamdan ka flare up East Pakistan 1965 kade bad ke Indo-Pak war.
Okay.
Ngamesia ka 1962 with the Chinese. Klemiolet. Katu kila settle down whatever. The 1965 kadan ka war between India and Pakistan mo. Taka jingiadei kade siya West Pakistan. Nothing in East Pakistan but Bangladesh manta. Talakataru na sendai ngalej sa thain border jungi South Meghalaya or South Khasi Hills district, United Khasi and Jantia district of the port. And then she told tamba indication a ruba kandan jingiadei nang thia. Leneki Shipai nang taken torisania. Le Tursha Sora Shadauki to the border area. Yada not to a pet tamba sumdan any skirmish the airway. The experience by Yatagadi basically in 1971. 71 my battalion, that is the 3rd battalion, the Assam regiment, done your posting have Fazilka. Fazilka is a village or maybe a township on the southwest of Punjab. It's a border town, kadi border road international border bar Pakistan. Fasal ka kadi snong ba makhan reo kilometer na ka border. Taka cantonment jungi kadon ha fasal ka hai. Te khot ka operational task jong ka unit jong ka 3rd battalion ka de ha border banya dan ya ka ril jong kibo hajan border ya ka 3 Assam ke to ko por nangi ngi sha jong ki don ki wei ta ka to ka thain jong ki ka kot ang to ngi wan no mangi
Fishim replace not mafi.
replace me. So anyone could replace any unit could come and replace. We don't depending on army headquarters kat kum ka overall scheme jong kiba ki panya ban posi no shano. Tangi yo ante ka peace area of Hazelka. The peace area ka jaka ba station ki dan ki facilities ba ki banyo le ke training bi ki la ki families ki la ban one jong shipai jong ki troops jong len ki officers jong ki la ban bo ki families ki nang ta ka school facilities ke dan ya ki kum kita ki peace areas namata ka jing dan jong atungi patrol ek to ke area ba khain ngile exercise ngi conduct various operational training maybe closer but not so close to the border but they ngile man familiarize ourselves man become pen so to come high ka terrain ya ka khndo kita kin mayarab ingi ban iadei ka ri jong la ja
Mentah ngin ya kendiat mosa la dalai bala. Ngakwa bentip ke family life tu ingin break no kendiat bahkan long icebreaker kendiat mo. How was family life when it came to these things? Because again, 1971, hakato ko por kalang day, kabalong crisis ba kamtam po East Pakistan, and then again the refugee crisis coming into India as well. The ngakwa bentip kambanya pat na pikin.
Ka peace area kadai ka mong oi phi ba ki la ban wan la ki families ne ha fazil ka to ko por kadai ka cantonment ka badang su come up te ngi dan tang khndiat ka accommodation ki paka accommodation ki ngim dan for families te ki to nangi ki bakwa ban wan la ki ai de ki dara ka ngi ban em la ngi sna de I trap mo I trap tu ye shongthait kata nama ki khon jeng ki dang red auto por ki hable school le man bu shatei ka school ka janjara po fazil kan kim dan ni educational institution ki bapiang gen
So mentah dengi pit mentah 1971 Bangladesh. Manak last year ngiu iru ba ke Bangladesh ka ayat ling ba turmoil. Di pisngu kumno kani ka Bangladesh ka long mentah at this present situation la dengi pit le ba mentah apo mensuali West Pakistan ki thu ba mentah ka dang de ka thma ka bayat nam tai itu certain section Kashmir. Di pisngu kumno ha kani ka por Bangladesh fi your opinion on Bangladesh.
kajing so tho janga ba ka simpore ki bakin decide to go to war makane ga event ka ja ha o March 71 la maklama kajing ki ani to he clear na East Pakistan u sha set sha West Pakistan Senegla ki klasang zit ki mukti ba ne
Oh,
ya India ke Arab to magla khya ke India ro ke jeng ke ba khya economically te shwagata ngan ya dan ham Bihar na Bihar ngi move cha Punjab ken
Kisngu kumno mentah lang ya compare kandiat ka leadership. Let's say if you done any
to ka byang e kum ka baki operate de ne ka jing the de to ki target sa Pakistan but ka Pakistan occupied Kashmir manubale ek to ki de ki nong yalam jong ki army navy and air force ka sarkar ka IT lo dhaki bakin le kin plan ke operate ke bar khoi ka IT to phisham gun ba to ki khandai ke jaka ba ki dan ki sa ki terrorist camps na ki head be thik tang ki to krampen jula de ki ba hajan na se hoy ki yap ki civilian terrorist udan ka wel le arngot na tip sangot ki lok ba ki khon ki ba anu phongot chu anto saki kin saki parsa tip saki ek ban sa ki sa ha ka mang to ki thobe ega to tu ke de civilian ki terrorist ke de civilian he tam ki de terrorist but kam sim ke target jong ki umde ye ke military installation jong ki Pakistani army thik tang ki terrorist camp ke le the lada kamdan ka coordination amongst the three take a leadership and position
kum ladengi movement ta northeast India mo kumno ka sarkar lani ka defense chani ke preparedness kalalong wholly tip ngi danam dan ke air defense system sang ni hapo northeast kin with a very porous borders Myanmar, Bangladesh, the kaladi kapor yengi rule si ban kamlong heighten up ya to level kin of preparedness.
Air defense ka de ko ipat ka scheme ka mapet ki artillery unit ki mapet ki air defense. The kito ki long mobile. You don't have to have a fixed structures to plonk your air defense system. They are mobile. They can move to war anywhere. Where that I wouldn't know. We should know also.
And I think these things should remain classified. Should remain classified. Te ladangi move on kandiat mosa ngakwa ban kaliru China's role marmanta le si China's proxy war mo te kumno ka China ya lade pare ka involve hang ni
kajing involve ka China te dena kajing yo pisa ban aya ki Pakistan kin ka no $300 billion was to acquire the war equipment for themselves Pakistan kerap kata ma China tip to habo po sam keu mot sneu ne mot baru te
duga shit onga kalong kung ka dragon's breath te la ban ong ke
la ban ayo tamba man well involved with China but other world armies also will be involved.
And I think most of their jets and other equipments in the mantaba panon cover the Chinese built kin
tamba mantaba pather ke ki missile ba mata ke kandet ban re am ki to rakhan kim pai rakhan India ke don gum kani without crossing the airspace of the Pakistanis they bombard Pakistan the technology jong ye bom kai hang to kin bu sa hesitate le sem pan non ban am te la man pasya yu ye ki Rangbah no yalam ha West Pakistan te kabashula man kan tha te took a random declaration by the student group Kenya Bangladesh ba Pakistan on te na Bangladesh will occupy northeast ula ban occupy northeast
katu kin ngakwa ba fin emphasize kandiat sa the refuse ngo namar kuma ngi kren mentale si ka DGFI lani ka jong Bangladesh but kani ka ISI ka relationship jong kili kala klan bada do shwa ladang ye pet menta ka involvement of student organizations kadang add fuel to the fire
ta ken bom tip e ta
if it's coming in from their side
nga thai ga gamen India ka tip hi manu ba le ne tang ma phi manga tang thai nom la man tip e ta isula taman an tam la yas ngo gum to tangi ru di man parkhan kan don hi ga ding no si sen ki tu la wan khuraim menta banga kajin khuslai jonga de ka phang ka megalaya ngamda khuslai as phang ka san no ma samu dan chief minister bole tinge bom salia te ka jakabo khuslai ga jakarung kiniki immigration ki bawan illegal immigration bawan na Bangladesh ka ba shraya ka de ga border Meghalaya but ke Bangladesh kin. We have a good stretch from Jingtip Hills right up to the end of Garo Hills. Nga so kat ka mga tip mga shpanga south border jungi kideki war suda. Kibri ki sa jungi barhoid kidan ha border lang to. Hato port yang to. Ki snong bagi sa kite kampaji kamsadin alor kamalor lum ki yaban seng ki school ki laban seng ki yang manil shabri pan la ki bri ki lajong sudah ki estate sudah antu ki orchard sudah ki bo antu kum ka system jungi social system jungi ngidan ki tang basnong ngidan ki sardar tingidan lo us em khaire mu pait na thi na do na thi to mlem ngam te bu pait na do no ngam tem tikini ki digi rangba ke di ban prakhat e to us em khaire mu de ban prakhan us sardar ki jaka ro de ban prakhan ki rangba shnong ke de ban prakhan kumnon ban pait yu to ki jaka khana banam dan ke jing to rangkat bat ke jing ya dan islak lang ba ke BSF khana ba ke nam lam kishnong ke dan ni ki khon ki kti ki baret baria ki dan pashnong kim dan nang thia border khana ba ke nam kulmar ki ni bapli na tip lawan tau khalsilat thira lagi ja lastang ban panek man pen to shwa bekin chupet lamwer mta ki de ban organize la de
Te pila shim gamut ia kani ke illegal migration lani ka jingrung na po Bangladesh siya po ka jungi as one of the critical points.
Absolutely.
Ka ba
Ni
kani ka
island
discussion
ni
kin.
they are susceptible. Kilab infiltrate. Magalang manta ki infiltration ka tang ya magi kembre haksia yo kemai ribhoi kamde ka e jungi ban pen to wela yo orang tu ban pen kulmal sa sor shiliang perkhan office behe angne ki installation ki babon nangne what damage it caused to us.
Namar kumbangi yu le ngala banoi viewers ru khandiat ba Bangladesh rei ka ladan gani ka radicalism ka baklan ba. So kidan ki fundamentalist ki baklan. Te basically ngila ban wan lam ya ka turu as a perspective ba kumbo ngi sermentan ba kalang long susceptible.
No.
Te mangi di bentek la kam kata ka rukom ba hakani ka discussion bangi kwa ru bentip ba hakunu ku rukom and then sir ila batai ru ba ki involvement jong ka shnong ka community ka de ka way. Te ka sarkar ka de ka way ka main stakeholder ka balik se badi ban shim serious lang hakani ka ikin.
Atai kala ban snang na po do kala ban snang na lo do kala ni ben de men de lang hi men kan do lang tingi dan bon ki representative jungi ya po assembly ngi bon ki representative jungi ya ki same ship jungi that touches the border with Bangladesh. Atai ni de ki bre ba e re sha mangi ke ni e de kari tang ba ngi nyang hado ka ta ngi no na the one Shipai Bangladesh and there.
Kamut kumbaong pi kadi kumamanakani kidang ong Muhammad Yunus but udan we na pedeng retired jong u eat jong ong ba ngin capture kani ka northeast te kumbaong pi mantan katno hang katno ngin lek chakano ka level bangin protect ya ka homeland jungi ken.
Atai ka sarkar India kan pe ye kata tang ba ngi kum ki trasnong ne mangi ong kari u ba e ba rem ba ja no i piba nga in le chete arngon ladang im organize le there is no point. You can cry on top of the hill, yes, I love my country. Manabam e kari le jong. Ladang im pat kloit tingin yet de ki boj em ngin wan ki boj kumung in ne kita ngi don ki rang bas no ki sunjuk ki snong darbar snong blame lan kan tu hangnar ka tangi don sakis sardar ban pe ye tu ki raj to ni don saki pa em man pe de ki himal jong ni don ki MDC ni don ki MLA ni don ki state police
Tengah kuat ban kali na fisa kini ki kena ki jongi kena kasi ki dan capability ba ki kena ki jongi na kani ka state ban join na ki forces ti kani ka question nga shit bo hai la di ba ki duna ba na padeng jongki ke be enter hakum kini ki National Defence Academy Indian Military Academy ni Combined Defence Services balik kalong kum ni le si ba ka duna ka guidance ni
na kendo ki kena bon ki ba yet kam te dan ki ba yet kam ke sipai ndi kim nang modder ba de ke e ka kam ki ko ban trai kam sipai ki bon ki trades you can be a carpenter you can be a washerman you can be pilaban de wasna juti pilaban de wasedja laban de wasar plau pilaban de tu bat suloi bon ki kim song thu ka kan ten mui kran ha sipai ke de basically Hindi kim nang ban fosi ga ta kim pat wa jingtip ya ta long no sulai su set be ki bon ke ba have undergone by training kim tip ya ta ka ba ar ka Hindi jong ki ngan compare ya ki brevla jong bat ki wei pan kam tam mizo bat ki Manipuri ki meitei umizo ro ban kren Hindi bu ban nangkong ban jon sipai tip ne ha pot lai sau bnai ulas dang ban kren ka beginningi pangi e ban kem o meitei Manipuri plainsman shaban join ke sipai ulawa jing tip chua ke bu de ban de ka met ka phat un le exercise un wa jing tip haban da biang sawan man compete ke ban tho ke ban ne ulat wa jing tip la i jongi gi siwa kwa join ne chunum tip last moment they come join sipai then on ว่าจึงเป็นตัวงามลาบันไอจึงที่ไกลพี่ในลาบันผ่าพี่ไว้ปันพี่ลาบันอยู่กันมาอีตาไม่ใช่ encourage กีตากรุกมมันจะก็ไม่นี่กีกุมดูมันสัตงามติบใจว่าเดี๋ยวนักตาบิกินเดี๋ยว never got back
ที่บันsum up mosa ya kani ka discussion kala ayat bah ngila yo multiple areas bangin cover kin nadu kapor ka jongphi hadu bangi poisho 1971 and then present conflict ru ka jo khandiat ti ngasukwa ban kali na fi ka opinion jongphi hai ka icebreaker ka lani kan kut hai let's say kum kani ka conflict lani ka baniat shushu for so many years. How do you see in the context of the whole of India and also to the northeast as well?
Politically, I'm not very far-sighted. Preferably, we'd like to live in peace with our neighbors, be it Pakistan, be it China, be it in any other country. We'd like to be in peace. I mean, who doesn't want? So the efforts will have to come from the leadership at whichever level, be at the state level, be at the national level, linking with the diplomatic channel, diplomacy.
Ti ngai khublei sin ya ki nong pet ki viewers jong ka forefront media ngai khublei ki boman kapor ki pulut por khamta ma ki tu ki runsan ye ther but ki wei te signing off banga Christopher Gatfo but he Lieutenant Colonel nangni na yeng jung ni. Thank you very much viewers. Next time din say kan do biak.